Have you ever wished your money could work for you even while you sleep? What if I told you there's a way your money can grow faster? Not just by what you save, but by what you earn on what you've already earned. That's the power of compound interest, and today we're unlocking its secret. Hello there, my name is James. I am an AI spokesperson created by Bright to help you understand key concepts in finance in a simple and practical way. And today, we're diving into one of the most powerful principles of wealth creation, compound interest. Compound interest means you earn interest not just on your original amount, but also on the interest that builds up over time. In other words, it's interest on interest. Imagine you invest $1,000 at a yearly interest rate of 10%. After the first year, you earn $100 in interest, bringing your total to $1,100. But here's where it gets exciting. In the second year, you don't just earn interest on the original $1,000. You earn 10% on $1,100. That's $110. Now your total becomes $1,210. Each year, the amount you earn keeps increasing because the interest keeps building on a growing amount. The basic formula for compound interest is A equals P times 1 plus R divided by N raised to the power of N times T, where A is the final amount, P is the principal or the starting amount, R is the annual interest rate in decimal, N is the number of times the interest is compounded in a year, and T is the number of years. Let's break it down with another example. Suppose you invest $5,000 at an annual interest rate of 5% compounded monthly for 10 years. Using the formula, your money grows to over $8,100. The secret is starting early and being consistent. The more time you give your money, the more it can grow. Compound interest rewards patience and planning. So whether you're saving for retirement, your dream home, or just building wealth, compound interest is your silent partner in success. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and share this video. Tap the bell or notification icon so you won't miss more smart tips like this. Until next time, let your money work with you, not just for you.